Live box break Ultimate Sports Cards, UD Premier Baseball 2007.
We're on a mission for no redemptions.
I want to see a cut. That's what I want to see.
Cut?
Yeah,
I just want to see someone with Mickey Mantle on it.
I want to see a cut. Eric Chavez base at a 99.
That's good. Who is the redemption of?
Hector Gomez.
Hector Gomez, auto number to 25. Rookie auto.
Hector Gomez redemption at a 25. There's your rookie. Pujols. David Murphy. He's not too
Do you
bad.
get a jersey number, Pujols?
No, one off.
One off. Got the Pujols NFL patch.
Oh, Pujols triple jersey. There's a Pujols patch.
Come on. And we got, what's the Pujols patch number 2?
2 of 49.
Nice.
Pujols triple jersey.
And we got
Carlos Delgado triple patch. At a 94.
Papelbon.
Oh, Papelbon's on there. Adam Wainwright and Papelbon dual auto
what's that number?
at a 25.
25.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks again from Ultimate Sports Cards.